are pleased to show you the 2010 HHR. The HHR is super fun and functional for any road trip. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, XM satellite radio, traction control, heated seats, air conditioning, auto express down window, cruise control, passenger airbag, side airbag system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.